If you're new to web hosting and deciding between Cloudways and SiteGround, here's a quick beginner-friendly comparisons to help you choose. SiteGround is known for its beginner-friendly shared hosting plans, great customer support, and easy WordPress setup. It's perfect if you want a simple all-in-one hosting solution without worrying much about technical details. Cloudways, on the other hand, offers managed cloud hosting with more flexibility. Instead of traditional shared hosting, you get to choose from cloud providers like DigitalOcean or Google Cloud, which means better performance and scalability as your site grows. For beginners, SiteGround's control panel and tools are very straightforward, while Cloudways uses a custom dashboard that may take a little getting used to it, but gives you more control over server settings. Performance-wise, Cloudways generally offers faster speeds because of its cloud infrastructure, but SiteGround is also quite reliable and optimized for WordPress. Support on SiteGround is very beginner friendly with 24/7 live chat and phone support. Cloudways offers 24/7 chat and ticket support, but doesn't have phone support. Yep. In short, if you want a simple, easy to use host with great support, SiteGround is a solid choice. If you want more power and flexibility with cloud hosting and don't mind a slight learning curve, Cloudways is worth considering. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and leave your questions below. I'll be looking down to answer them.